If you only knew the magnificence of 3, 6, and 9, then you would have the key to the universe. He lit up the world, but died in darkness. He dreamed of a future powered by free energy, but was left penniless in a hotel room. And before he died, he left behind a riddle the world still hasn't solved. If you only knew the magnificence of 3, 6, and 9, you would have the key to the universe. But what did Nikola Tesla mean? Tesla wasn't just a scientist. He was something stranger, something deeper. He didn't just measure reality. He listened to it. He refused to enter a building without walking around it 3 times. He insisted on living in hotel rooms divisible by 3. He used exactly 18 napkins to clean his silverware. 1 plus 8 equals 9. To the world, it looked like madness. To Tesla, it was symmetry. It was truth. He believed numbers weren't just symbols. They were the pulse of the universe. 3, 6, 9. They kept showing up, not randomly, but rhythmically, in geometry, in sound, in the spiral arms of galaxies, patterns hidden behind the veil of matter. Some researchers later proposed a theory called something strange, vortex mathematics. It sounds complex, but the idea is simple. When you start reducing numbers to their digital root, like 18 becomes 1 plus 8 equals 9, you begin to notice a strange pattern. Add 1, you get 2. 2 becomes 4. 4 becomes 8, becomes 7. 7 becomes 5. 5 becomes 1, and the loop starts again. But 3, 6, and 9 never appear in that loop. They stay separate, almost untouchable. It's as if the universe is playing a quiet rhythm, and these numbers are the hidden beat underneath. To some, it's just a math trick. To others, it's a hint that there's something deeper hiding in plain sight. And to Tesla, these numbers weren't a coincidence. They were the code. He once said, "If you want to find the secrets of the universe, think in terms of energy, frequency, and vibration." And in that way of thinking, 3, 6, and 9 may have been sacred. Some believe he saw what others could not. That these numbers represent energetic doorways, that they hold the potential for a different kind of science, one the world wasn't ready for. The truth? No one knows for certain, because Tesla didn't explain the riddle. He only left it behind. But consider this. He envisioned wireless energy before we had radio. He imagined machines that could think long before artificial intelligence. He designed systems we're only now beginning to rediscover. He wasn't just ahead of his time. He was outside of it. And maybe, when he spoke of 3, 6, and 9, he wasn't being mystical. He was pointing, quietly, to something we've forgotten how to see. The rhythm beneath reality. The harmony hidden inside silence. The laws of a universe that doesn't just work, but sings. And maybe the key isn't out there. Maybe it's in the way we listen, to numbers, to patterns, to the things that repeat until they become invisible. If you only knew the magnificence of 3, 6, and 9, maybe we don't. Not yet. But one day, we might. And when we do, the universe may finally open, not like a machine, but like a poem. If this story stirred something in you, a question, a memory, a quiet sense of wonder, consider subscribing. Not for algorithms, not for trends, but for the simple promise that somewhere, amid all the noise, there is still a place for silence, thought, and truth. This channel isn't trying to go viral. It's trying to go inward, to meet you where your words end and your truth begins.